In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all expenses and suppliers' transactions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or someone responsible for managing budgets, understanding how to efficiently track your expenses and supplier transactions can make financial management much smoother. Let's walk through this straightforward process so you can easily keep tabs on your financial dealings. To start, make sure you're sitting comfortably as we prepare to navigate through QuickBooks Online. Begin by clicking on the Sign In button on the upper right corner of the QuickBooks Online website. It's easy to find and is your gateway to accessing all the features QuickBooks has to offer. Once you click Sign In, a prompt will ask you to choose your product or service. Here you should select QuickBooks Online. It's vital to ensure you've picked the correct option as QuickBooks offers various services, and selecting the appropriate one allows you to swiftly access the interface you'll be working with. Next, enter your login credentials. This includes your email address and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Take a moment to double check you've entered everything correctly. Once you're satisfied all the information is accurate, hit the continue button. After logging in, you're now in the main dashboard. From here, your next move is to direct your attention to the expenses tab on the left menu. Click on this tab to open a more detailed view of your expenses. Inside the expenses section, you'll find a ton of valuable information, but to drill down specifically to supplier transactions, you should click on the vendors tab. This tab provides you with a tidy list of all your suppliers or vendors. It's kind of like having a digital Rolodex of everyone you owe money to or have business dealings with. If this section looks too cramped, don't worry, you have the tools to simplify this view under your fingertips. Now at this point you may wish to filter these transactions, especially if you're looking for something specific like purchase orders, overdue items, open bills, or ones that are paid. To do this, look for the filter options. These filters will let you sort through transactions based on the aforementioned categories, refining your data so that you can view only what you actually need. These tools are incredibly helpful for tracking more specific expenses and ensuring you're not overlooking pending bills or overdue payments. By following these steps, you now have a firm grasp on how to view all expenses and suppliers' transactions in QuickBooks Online. This not only aids in better financial decision making, but also saves you precious time that you can dedicate to growing your business or balancing the books with more precision. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more features within QuickBooks Online to fully leverage your ability to manage your finances accurately and efficiently.